Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to share YouTube TV with family. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your YouTube TV subscription on any browser, and after that here on the top right corner you will have the profile icon of you. You just have to click on it, then it will show you here this menu. You should go to settings. Once you open the settings, you should now go to this option right here, family sharing, then click on manage button right here. After that, will show you this page. It will show all the members and the family manager. You can simply click on invite family member right here. Then here you can simply type the email of the person that you want to invite. You can type it just right here, but I will just do a little bit blue right here because I don't want to show his email. And after that, you should choose the person that has the email from this section right here. Then click on send. And after that, he will receive an invitation through his Gmail inbox. And when he click on accept, he will be shown just right here in the members section. And here, as you can see, I have the invitation and expires on June 21. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.